Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for Instagram posts. First, open Canva and search for Instagram post to find the perfect template. You can choose from thousands of professionally designed layouts or begin with a blank canvas. Remember, the ideal dimensions for a square Instagram post are 1080 by 1080 pixels, ensuring your content looks crisp and clear. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative journey. Now, let's dive into designing. Canva offers extensive customization options for text, fonts, and colors to match your aesthetic. Explore its massive library of free and premium elements, including photos, illustrations, and graphics, to enhance your design. You can also easily upload your own images or brand logos, ensuring your post truly reflects your unique style and message. Get creative and make it yours. To make your post truly stand out, consider enhancing it with Canva's advanced features. Apply various filters, adjust image transparency, or crop elements with precision for a polished look. For more engaging content, you can even add subtle animations or short video clips. If you have a brand kit, utilize it to maintain consistent colors, fonts, and logos across all your Instagram posts, strengthening your brand identity. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Download your finished Instagram post in high-quality formats such as PNG for the best resolution or JPG for smaller file sizes. If you have Canva Pro, you can even schedule your post directly to Instagram, saving you time and effort. Always double-check that your final image is crisp and clear, ready to captivate your audience on social media.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.